Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious milkshake using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, half a cup of milk, and any fun additions like chocolate syrup or fruit. Having everything ready makes the process super smooth and quick. This simple approach ensures a tasty treat in just minutes. Now let's get blending. Carefully scoop your 2 cups of ice cream into the blender. Pour in the half cup of milk. If you're adding syrups or soft fruits, toss them in now too. Secure the lid firmly and blend on a medium setting for about 30 to 60 seconds or until smooth. Watch for that perfect creamy consistency. This is where you can truly make your milkshake unique. If you want to add solid mix-ins like crushed cookies, candy pieces, or fresh berries, now's the time. Add them to the blender and pulse a few times until they are incorporated to your liking. If your shake is too thick, just add another splash of milk and blend for a few more seconds until it reaches your preferred consistency. Your delicious, easy milkshake is ready. Carefully pour your creamy creation into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, you can top it with whipped cream, a drizzle of syrup, or a cherry. Don't forget a straw. Serve it immediately to enjoy its frosty, refreshing goodness. This simple method makes a perfect treat every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.